Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know you guys were not expecting a video today because I don't normally upload on Thursdays, but I'm pre-filming this, so you guys get the point. But when this video goes up, it is my birthday, which naturally means that I have to give to you guys. I am so grateful for all of the love and support I get from you guys all year round. So I have planned a massive birthday giveaway for you guys. So if you want to see everything going into the Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube giveaway, make sure to keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe because that would be the best birthday gift ever. And let's jump right into the giveaway. So first thing I'm going to tell you is if you haven't seen me on all of my different social media platforms, they all kind of do a little different. I'm so much more educational on YouTube. Twitter's really just me chatting, talking my random thoughts in the middle of the night. And then Instagram's going to be a little bit more of just like stuff going on with me. So you're going to get a little bit of more Brett depending on where you go. So I've catered a different giveaway for every single platform. I'm going to start with YouTube because you guys are currently here. The first giveaway is going to be, I actually have two of these. One of them is going to Twitter. So this is it's a cute little philosophy backpack loaded with goodies. I'm going to move my stuff here so I can show you guys everything that's in the giveaway, and I am going to insert pictures as well. First, oh yeah, I have so much stuff in here. Some of this stuff is overflow from BoxyCharm because normally I get like 3 boxes a month. I unbox with one, I give away one, and then I'll usually have some backups. And then there are some months where either there'll be BoxyLux and there'll be duplicates, or I'll get stuff in PR and I'll put all of that into the giveaway. So first I have the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Highlighter. This is in the shade Summer Haze. We have the Luxie Brushes Festival set, the Summer Days set. I've got the Cover FX. This is the Perfector Face Palette. Then I have the Pure Festival palette from Pure. And I am going to open up and show you guys mine because this is a beautiful palette, but I don't want to break into the bubble wrap. From IT Cosmetics, I have the Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. We have the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Mist. I've got the Touch & Soul No Poreblem Prime Essence. Going into the bag. We have the Trestique, what is this? The Lash So Good Vibes Mascara. I have the Moda Pro Powder and Soft Glow Brush Duo. The Tarte Cosmetics BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. I have some sheet masks. I have Tula, Purelise, and Glow Recipe. The Dominique Cosmetics Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss. The Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Mask. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. The Beauty For Real Liquid Liner Pen. The Touch & Soul No Poreblem Primer. It is very different from the Essence. This is more blurring and smoothing, and the other one is a little bit more glowy and radiant. I have the Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in the shade, this is Rose Gold, and I believe the other bag has gold. I have the Butter London Power Up Mascara and the Ofra Cosmetics Long Wearing Liquid Lipstick in Monaco. So I will insert a picture, but all of these goodies are going to be the grand prize for the YouTube giveaway. And the way to enter that giveaway is to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below with, honestly, anything. Tell me why you deserve to win. I think for the first time ever, rather than just randomly picking a comment, I'm going to go through, I'm going to read them all, and I'm going to pick whoever tells the best story. Like, let me know. Why do you deserve to win? I did mention that I have 2 of these prizes identically. So one of these is also going to be going to Twitter. So if you want to be entered to win the other one, I'm going to put a tweet up. It's going to be pinned on my profile today, announcing this giveaway and telling you how to enter. But basically all you need to do is retweet that tweet, like it, follow me on Twitter, the works. Now, there is going to be a second prize for YouTube, and this is going to be, I have this little cute little travel bag from Benefit. It says Beauty and the Beach. Adorable little bag, and in here I have an entire face of makeup on the go. So, the products that you will get, and this is also same way to enter the YouTube giveaway, same thing. One person's going to get the big bag, one person's going to get the little bag. In here we have, I've got so much stuff. I have the No Poreblem Priming Essence again. another Dominique Cosmetics lipstick in Strawberry Lemonade. I've got another Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've got the Pure Complexion Authority eyelash curler, the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter in the shade Glow Up, the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in Desert Rose, the Trestique Lipstick and Lip Balm. This is in the shade English Rose, the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions Mini Palette. And then I have the Nude Sticks Copper Foil Eyeshadow. Now, all of these items do fit nice and snug into this pretty little travel bag. So you have your primer, your bronzer, your blush, your highlight. You have mascara. You have a lip. So other than your complexion products, this is going to be everything you need to really put on any neutral face. And the last prize, this is for Instagram. To enter this, I am going to, again, just like with Twitter, I'm going to post a giveaway post at some point on my birthday, the 25th, and on that day, which actually is today, there's going to be a post about this giveaway. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, like that photo, and comment on it. This is skincare to go. Everything in this train case is going to be a full skincare routine, everything you need. Some of these items are BoxyCharm, some of them are overflow from PR, some of them are honestly just stuff I've had on hand that I haven't gotten a chance to use, so I'm giving them away. I am going to work through the entire skincare routine just so you guys can see, from cleansing to masks to moisturizer and everything in between. We have a full set, so let's pack the bag. First, we have your makeup remover. This is the Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil. After you wash your face, you are going to want to cleanse. So I do have two cleansers going in. I have the Pure Face Cleanser from First Aid Beauty and the Clean Biotic Cleanser from Dr. Brandt. I'm also throwing in the Saturday Skin Gentle Exfoliant. This is an amazing exfoliator, especially if you have dry skin. If your skin's a little more oily, you will love this as well, but I find for drier skin it's a little bit better. But we've cleansed, we've removed our makeup, and now we have exfoliated. After exfoliation, you're going to want to mask. So I have the Wander Beauty Lift Off Mask, as well as another sheet mask from Pure Lee's. After that, we're going to tone the skin. So I have the Caudalie Grape Water Soothing and Moisturizing Mist. This works beautifully to tone the skin. Then we have the Cosmetics Clean Clinical Jade Roller. This is going to be something you can use to roll your serums into the skin. It's really going to help to break down puffiness because that movement is really going to help to decongest all that water buildup in the face. Then we move into eye cream, also from First Aid Beauty. This is the Fab Skin Lab Retinol Eye Cream. This is going to help to keep your under eyes smooth and clear of all wrinkles and fine lines. For serum, I have the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Exfoliating AHA BHA Resurfacing Serum. I have your moisturizer, which is going to be the Patchology Restoring Night Cloud Mask, which I actually have and use this product. It is a beautiful mask for really helping to keep your skin resurfaced overnight. Next, we have the Ades New York Age-Defying Nail Treatment. This is great for helping your cuticles stay nice and healthy. And that is the Skincare in a Box full routine for the Instagram giveaway. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, go enter all 4 giveaways, or I guess all 3 giveaways, and there's just a second prize for YouTube. I will list all of the rules down below as well as the prizes, all of the details in the description box. Make sure to check me out on Twitter and Instagram so that you can enter all 3 giveaways to win one of these 4 fabulous prizes. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!